Hello everyone. I ordered this package of mandala stencils. It's a 9-pack of 12 by 12 stencils. I wanted to show them to you and then give you an idea of why I ordered them. Plus, I thought it might be nice if you could actually see them. So I have got a piece of brown cardstock. I'm hoping you'll be able to... Oh, they're really nice. They have a nice, sturdy feel to them. They're not wimpy, which is a big plus. And of course, you know I want to use them on my jelly plate. I mean, that's a guarantee. Oh, I like that one. There looks to be a few little pieces I'll have to shake out. Not a big deal. That's pretty too. Yeah, for being 12 by 12 and being intricate designs, they are definitely nice and sturdy. Oops. It would help if I showed you the last one, wouldn't it? I was just going to go right into showing you what I was thinking about doing with them. Obviously, you know I like to use, well, maybe you don't, but I do like to use ink on stencils. Okay, that's not going to work. That's one of my favorite ways to use stencils is with ink. Obviously, when it's on a printed background, it doesn't show as much. See how pretty they are when you use them with ink? However, that is actually not why I ordered them. I ordered them to do some coffee dyeing, basically like this. When you have coffee dyed paper that's still wet, you can lay the stencil over the top of it, and as it dries, it will create the design. And I think those will be beautiful coffee dyed papers from using that mandala. Guys, there's an affiliate link down in the instruction box below. I hope to get some coffee dyed papers done up pretty soon so that you can see what it looks like to have coffee dyed papers. Obviously, you can use these for anything you use a stencil for, but my thought when I purchased them was the coffee dyed papers. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.